Hey everybody, Chris with Autometer here. Welcome to the Sema show. I want to talk to you guys today about our new dual digital pyrometer instruments. You now have the ability to monitor two thermocouples within a single instrument. If we go step through the menu here, you have peak recall memory for each channel. Difference between the channels, so you can see just the differential between pre and post. Pro Control Output 1. Pro Control Output 2, those are switched outputs based upon program settings, so you can drive other devices off of the instrument. Channel 1, where you'd like to display it on the gauge, either around the radial or in the numeric. Channel 2, same selection. Alarm 1, set a program point at which the gauge will flash and alert you to a specific condition. Alarm 2, same thing for the second input on the instrument. Unit selection, so you can toggle back and forth between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it.